Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel.
Hey, what's going on, great people? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, do not let it be your last. I share information about lifestyle, business, real estate, all that kind of good stuff, inspiration, relationships, food, and travel. If you like that type of stuff, why don't you go ahead and click that little red button up there that says subscribe and become a part of my family. If you're a returning family member, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate you. So today, friends, today, family, I'm doing a Cologuard test. And I must tell you that I'm like, do I really want to do this at home? Okay. When I started college, I was pre-med and I dropped out of pre-med because I dissected a pig and threw up. So I don't know how this is going to go today, but I'm going to do my very best because I'm going to be my nurse today and take this test and send it off. So the Cologuard test is a pre-cancerous screening test for patients 50 and older, men and women. But I'm going to tell you, I truly believe that you need to have this test no matter what age you are. I think it should be an annual thing, but of course we got insurance agencies blocking us and all that kind of stuff. But I think your health care should be, your health is your wealth. And I teach that and preach that all the time. And so I guess I'm not excited to have it done, but it needs to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to do an unboxing so you'll see everything that's included in this Cologuard test. And I know you've seen it advertised on TV. This is not a sponsored post. I'm just doing it just to share with females and men to let them know that you got to take care of your health and go get this thing done. And it's supposed to be simple. You're doing it at home in your own privacy of your own home. But once you finish with it, you're supposed to ship it off back to the facility to be tested. So I know God is with me. I know God is covering me and all that kind of stuff. So I'm not afraid in that aspect. I'm just like, can I really do this? But it's going to get done like today. So I'll come back once I get everything together and share with you everything that's included in the package and then the after results. Okay. Thanks again for being here. Blessings and peace. And I will talk with you soon.
So I am a big proponent of preventative care. And as I began to prepare myself for this test, I started reading through some of these things. And I'm telling you, some of the stuff they put in here could literally freak you out. Obviously, the test is to see if you're positive or negative or no results obtained from doing this test to make sure that there is not a precancer or cancer in the colon. And so as a woman who just turned 50, I think it's very important that I've always been a great advocate of my health. And I always encourage other people, women, men, to be that as well. In fact, I had to push my husband to the doctor in order for him to get this test. But everybody has to have it when you turn 50. I think these things should be done earlier because, you can have any of these issues even before you're 50. But according to the health law, which I still think is screwed up, a lot of things with the health laws that are in place and insurance and care for patients, but it's still good to have it. So you can see it says who should use Cologuard: patients 50 years and older, men and women, and who are at average risk. So if you have it running in your family, cancer of any type, especially colon cancer, then this would not be a recommendation according to the directions and according to my physician. So, yeah. But I am in preparation, and Lord knows I've been holding this stuff. I know y'all don't want to hear this, but look, this is a part of reality. I've been in healthcare so long, working in home health care industry, owning a home health care company and all that kind of stuff. This particular stuff does not bother me because it's a part of life. It literally is a part of life. Birth, any type of health thing. Some people can't stomach it. Now, I literally am not one for stomaching it, but it is what it is. It's a part of who we are, and we must take care of our health in order to remain healthy and to live a long, productive, healthy life. So yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and get started reading through these directions again before I begin. So please comment below if you've ever had this test, if you know someone that has had it, or when you get 50, are you going to go ahead and go to the hospital and have it done, or are you going to resort to this measure? I think the doctor has to recommend you for it based upon your medical history, but I'm not sure, so it's worth asking anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this party started. Ooh. So here is the kit they send you, and I'm doing my unboxing of it now. It is a collection kit with the instructions, bracket, container, tube, and the preservative. There's a lot of things you go to and through when you begin to age. So all of these things are supposed to be in the kit. They give you something to mail it back in as well, with labels that you're supposed to put on the tubes upon your discharge. You have all the instructions on returning the kit, the patient guide of what you need to do when conducting the test. And oh my Jesus, this book is extremely thick. And I'm like, do I have to read all this before I do it? Yes. So these are the things that you're supposed to pay attention to. They show you all different. Wow. I was trying to do this real quick. I don't know. So would you rather go to the hospital? I know my husband had it done, and he went to the hospital, had to drink this nasty solution before he had the procedure done. And I'm like, I'd rather just do it at home. So as you can see, it's a lot with the process and what you have to do. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see what is in this bag. They got everything zipped up, and I'm getting ready to do it here shortly. So I want to make sure that I have all the tools necessary to begin, because this is going to be a trial. They do have everything in here, like in a sanitized bag. They got this little thing here, which I guess is part of collecting the stool. They got the little solution here, which is the preservative that I guess you put in there. And then they have the little vial as well. So it's a well-performed kit, or well packaged kit. Hopefully I won't mess this up.
So this morning I took that test. And I must tell you, it was kind of uncomfortable. But I'm really glad that I did, because, you know, as I mentioned earlier, I think it's so important that we take care of our health and our body and our soul, because we only get one. And I have to wait for the results to come back. It said it takes about anywhere from a week, at least 7 days to come back. So I will be shipping that tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get the results back before the new year. So wish me blessings and peace. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this information has helped somebody and encourage men and women to go get yourself checked out. And make sure you stay up on every test that your insurance pay for. And even if your insurance don't pay for it, make sure you fight for your insurance to pay for it, because we deserve to have excellent health care. Talk to you soon. Okay, y'all, real talk. After taking that test, I had to calm myself down. So I went and got my favorite bubble bath, Dr. Teal's Foaming Bath Soothing Sleep Lavender. I need to sleep good after that. All right. But this is my favorite. It smells so good. And then I picked up one of this lotion here. Actually, this is my first time trying it. 4-in-1 Passion Fruit Body Lotion. I liked it because it exfoliates as well as moisturizes. And who does not need to be moisturized and exfoliated in the wintertime? And then that passion fruit, that just caught me. I think I'll try it again. I was very, very pleased with the results of this product. It's 11 o'clock at night, and my body was craving some soup. vegetable soup at that. I don't know if craving is a good word. Maybe I don't want to use that word. But anyway, it's cold outside and it's snow. And my body was like, ooh, you need something warm. And I found some soup. Vegetable soup. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching the Startup CEO Lifestyle TV. Don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you want to become a part of our family, don't forget to subscribe. Blessings and peace until next time.